Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here with some live and exclusive news from the GEO Business Conference and Exhibition here at Excel in London. I'm joined by Stuart Nash. Stuart, you are the Director of Survey for Sunbelt Rentals. And guess what we've got above our heads, folks? We're now a Trimble partner. This is huge news for the industry. Tell us all about it, Stuart.
Yeah, so we're super excited to become a Trimble partner. We've been working on it for quite some time, but yeah, we're now proud to announce that we're a Trimble partner. We're going to be supplying Trimble's range of geospatial and machine control products to our customers. It's something that's been missing from the Sunbelt Survey family of products, and yeah, we're super excited now to be investing in these technologies to enable our customers to work more efficiently, to take advantage of some of the unique features that they have and integrate them into their projects.
And what's really exciting about this, folks, is we're talking about a lot of change in the industry at the moment, and what people are really interested in is how we become more efficient, how we become more sustainable, how we can rent equipment rather than buy equipment, because not every site at every time needs machine control, does it?
No. So where we sit in the market is if customers need one system, 10 systems, 20 systems, whether that's for a week, a month, a year, they have that flexibility with rental to use the product as much or as little as they need.
Yep.
Whether it's additional systems, whether they invest in certain elements and then rent others, that flexibility with rental is there for them.
And I think what's really interesting for me about Sunbelt is obviously we see a digger behind us there, Stuart. Sunbelt have got a fleet of equipment that they're enabling with machine control as well. So not only can you rent the equipment from Stuart for your own equipment, you can rent a digger from Sunbelt with the Sunbelt machine control on it as well, which is really fundamentally giving people access to jobs that need machine control. But what is really exciting about this, and one of my favourite subjects, folks, is the connected worksite I talk about. What you're doing is you're enabling Trimble users now to use surveying equipment to get all of the data, to then build the models, to then put them into machine control, and to then actually get all of those outcomes from the very start of the project to when we've finished the final trench, for example, on site, haven't you? That's what it's about, isn't it?
Yeah, so we're there to support our customers, to engage with them, understand the project needs, the project requirements, the challenges as well, the places where they're not quite sure what technology to use or what solution to use. So we're there to come in at the very beginning of a project, even before ground is broken on site, put our training team with them as well, so if they identify a short element that they need that additional training in, or if it's a new product, new product they haven't used before, we're there to enable them to get the best out of that product, to collect the data, to move it through the project, so survey the land, create the model, move that model to the machine if there's no design. If there's a design, make sure that design is going into the machine in the correct format, in the correct way, that the site is set up correctly as well. So whether it be working with them to understand that they've got the correct site control, they've got the right base station set up, it's on the right radio channels, frequencies, if it's using connectivity via RTK over the internet, we're there to understand and help them, and that investment is a two-way street. It's us to the customer and the customer to us. So we build that relationship.
And one of the things that everybody knows, it's like, should I have one of these? Should I have one of those? Well, the best thing to do about anything is, if you're not too sure, is rent something first, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you've got the ability to use it. And I know we've got one of the devices that you can't see in front of me right now, but you can see this, folks. This is a model. This is no ordinary model, Stuart, is it? Because this model's got somebody special in it. It's me, folks. It's just a joke. But no, it's got me and Stuart inside this model. We've just taken the surveying equipment below and created this model of the actual environment around us at this show. Phenomenal. Happened in just 2 minutes. That's why this technology is so important, isn't it?
Yeah. So, technology goes through evolution, as we know, and a lot of customers quite often have that barrier in terms of entering the market. So they can rent a product, they can have training, they can have the support as well. So as well as the kind of initial project investment, we're working with manufacturers to be able to remotely connect into both machine control devices, but also the field controllers as well. So if somebody's in the field and they're not quite sure how a function works on an instrument, is that our team can dial in remotely.
Right.
They can see what's going on the screen of the machine or the instrument, and they can provide the advice, or they can point them in the direction of, you might want to try this function, or reconfigure the instrument if it's not quite there.
So all of that is really about the fundamentals of how you use technology, how you're supported to use technology, and fundamentally how that can work to change the environment on site. I think it's a really exciting time. Trimble partner, didn't expect to see that here today at GEO Business. There's a lot of people talking to you on site here, and the team have got obviously a full range of surveying solutions on offer as well. And I think fundamentally what it is all about is how can we deliver things, make it usable on site, make it simple to use, and if you're not sure, how can we hold your hand through that process to ultimately help your customers become more profitable, and then if that helps them become more profitable, they can continue to invest in their equipment. And guess what, folks? All of that adds up to helping us achieve the goals of COP26 net zero that I know Sunbelt are very, very keen to push forward on. So thanks ever so much for going live with me from the show today, Stuart. Fantastic news for you, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. We're super excited for this journey. And we welcome all our customers to get in touch and ask the questions.
And how can they do that, Stuart?
So they can contact us via our website. They can contact us via social media as well. We have our own Sunbelt Survey channel as well as the Sunbelt main channel. Get in contact. They can speak to their regional account managers as well. But just pick up the phone really.
Or what you can do is get yourself down to Excel. This show's on for 2 days. Stuart's here with the team, and get first-hand experience yourself. Once again, thanks very much, Stuart. Brilliant news for you guys. And until the next time, folks, goodbye from me.